kind of looks like QC, but it doesn't have the vista of the Sierra Madre Mountains. It also kind of feels like QC because of the modern houses, but it's not. It is way, way, way down south. And it's in a gorgeous subdivision like this one, and I can't believe that this is selling for this price in an amazing community like this. Today I'll be showing you around a brand new house and lot for sale, and I can't wait because this is a beautiful home. So here on the left side you have an open carport. Technically it's for 2 cars lang, pero you can fit another one na iba yung orientation, and you do have a very wide road, so guest parking isn't a problem. You also have access to your service area via that open doorway, and you have access to your male staff quarters. So that one also includes an ensuite toilet and bath. Also, sa B-rolls na lang ipapakita, and I'm gonna go here just for John's reference. Ang ganda nitong part na to. So this elevated portion of the carport is obviously a higher ceiling. Tapos merong louvers dun sa taas. So hindi siya kita from the road, pero from here, once you see it, it makes sense. It's for the airflow, para presko pa rin. Yes, it's open, pero minsan kasi stagnant yung hangin, diba? So that makes sure that air keeps moving. And that is a theme throughout this entire home. So you have 2 steps leading up to your main entrance, but before we go inside, I just want to show you that this side is also open, and this will lead to the side of the house as well as the lanai here on the side that also leads to one of the bedrooms here on the ground floor, and then all the way around back. Okay, so let's go in through the main entrance, which is framed, or partially framed, by the adobe blocks that you see here at the front. Okay, so you have a solid wooden door for your main entrance with vertical patterns here. So, I don't know if you can tell, no? Pero gradual yung paglaki ng kada slat niya. So, finest on the right, and palapad ng palapad. You have a metal handle and a deadlock. So, bahala na kayo if you want to add a digital door lock or other types of locks. And once you enter, you have your main stairs here on the left, and then you have your living area. So, you have a nice chandelier here that also is a ceiling fan. Engineering outlets for your entertainment. So this is where your TV and other consoles will go, and this is where your couch will go. Then you have some storage under the stairs. And then you have 2 steps down leading to your dining area. So here, dahil bumaba yung floor, parang mas mataas yung ceiling. Although generally high ceiling siya. Your dining and your kitchen is essentially in this level, and it has this very nice and open feeling because it's bright and airy. You have floor-to-ceiling windows as well as a sliding glass door, well, doors, that leads out into your back lanai. I was gonna say backyard, but it's not. So you can see, I'll go back to the details of the kitchen, but I just want to show you this first. So you can see when you go out here, there is a sort of jogging path here. So walang structure na tatayo dyan. It's just this clear gap between you and your neighbors, and it's nice and open. And this is your view when you're lounging out here or in your dining area or cooking in your kitchen. So it feels nice and open and airy because that's exactly what you see out here. Okay, so let's go back in and talk about the kitchen details. So you have an island counter here with a bar on this side, and then your sink on this side, and then lots of storage on this side as well. And then over here, you have a fixed window that lets you see your side garden. And then again, lots of storage for your cupboards, which by the way, has rose gold, brushed rose gold handles. Then down here, you have your built-in oven, microwave. Then on your counter, you have your induction stove. Then provision for your refrigerator, and then more storage up there. And then right next to that, you have your guest accessible powder room with your sink and your toilet. It's very easy to maintain too. Ang ganda na visually. Ang dami mo nakikita kasi iba yung tiles. So may mga accent wall siya. So it's technically simple, but visually it looks like it has like more going on, but really it doesn't. So that means it's easy to maintain. Madali linisan, in other words. On the other side of your kitchen, you have this door, technically this is your back door, that leads to your service area. And when I saw this, I was like, yo, I love this. This is my favorite part because it's such an open space, literally. The air flows from one end to the other. Sobrang presko niya. You have high ceiling. This is where you will do your laundry. So I guess, yes, this is why I love it. It's such an ideal place to actually do the utilities like laundry, your daily kitchen or your dirty kitchen, pagplancha, and what have you. So lahat na kailangan yung gawin for daily household chores. Ang gandang area nito for you to be able to do those things. And then from here, you have access to your female staff quarters. This also has an ensuite, toilet and bath. If you'll notice, actually, although I will admit, I'm not the biggest fan of doors and doors next to each other. Pero yung ginawa nila dito is yung doors ng ensuite, toilet and bath is right behind the door of the room itself. So at first I was like, why did they do that? And then I realized it's a very practical way to address this space so that it's easier to find solutions for it. So that's again the female staff quarters, and this is the male staff quarters, which again leads out to your 2-vehicle carport. And then you have this area in between your carport and your service area that pretty much acts as a place for you to hang your laundry in privacy or in private. So kahit paano, diba? It's open, but hindi siya kita ng mga kapitbahay, which is great. No one sees your literal dirty laundry, well, in this case, clean laundry, hanging about. Okay, so one more place to go here on the ground floor, and it is right next to the main entrance. And this is bedroom number 2. So this one has lots of natural light, thanks to the windows as well as the sliding glass door, which again leads out to the side lanai that we saw earlier from the front. So you could choose to make this as an office or as a guest bedroom or elderly room. It's really up to you. The beauty of this one is it has a walk-through closet. So it's just this area na bare. So bahala na kayo kung anong storage solutions yung gusto niyong gawin. Pero ang dali naman yung gawa ng design actually. And then it leads to the ensuite toilet and bath with your sink, pedestal sink, toilet, and your partially enclosed shower space. Actually, when I saw this, I was like, oh, cute ng toilet. It's like rounded. Also, the toilets, or the toilets, all have doors that have louvers for ventilation. It's also how you can tell that, okay, that's gonna be a comfort room. Okay, and that's been it for the ground floor. Ang dami, no? Parang daming area sa ground floor. And there are 2 more floors. But before that, make sure you hit like, click subscribe, and click on the bell so you get notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. We're on Facebook, so make sure you hit like and see first, and follow us on Instagram at Presello_official. If you want to see more of our listings here in Nuvali, make sure you let us know, send us a message, or go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future, invest with us, invest with Presello. Okay, so here on the second floor, you have a square-ish landing that basically lets you go through all of these doors. Parang dami niya, no? There's 5 doors here. And that's all this is. Like, kung may malalagay man kayong items dito, maybe a console table or like maybe an altar, if that's your thing. So there's no office space here whatsoever, which is great because you could just use any one of the bedrooms or rooms here for that. Case in point, bedroom number 2. So this one does not have an ensuite toilet and bath. It is simply a room with lots of natural light, high ceiling, you know it, and a view of your beautiful neighborhood. Kahit mapuno pa to, ang ganda pa rin ang neighborhood nyo. Again, this is Nuvali. So you could choose to have this as your theater room, your office, a bedroom. It's up to you. The convenient part of this, even if it doesn't have an ensuite, is that the toilet and bath is right next to it anyway. So you have your sink, your shower area, and your toilet. And again, you have varying tiles. I just noticed. Hold on. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 kinds of tiles. 5, yeah, including the floor. Dinig kaya yun. Binulungan na ako ni John. There's a lot of kinds of tiles here, but they work. Usually, ang rule sa design is you only have 3 different kinds. Pero gumagana naman to. Okay, and now this is bedroom number 3. It's a very straightforward room, differently shaped than the other one, as you can see. So those are the outlets. So that's where your headboard goes. Your this dito na yung TV, this is dito na yung desk, etc. Again, very straightforward. Pwede naman dito, but then I would guess that you'd want your closet space here. And again, lighting isn't a problem. May fixed glass ka dito, tsaka sa taas. These you can open up. Same goes for that wall. So lots of natural light. This one has an ensuite toilet bath with your toilet, your shower area, and your sink. So this one is pretty much a mirror version of this one. So parang pareho lang sila. Okay, 2 more doors on this floor. And notice how the doors also have this pattern. Not just the grain of the wood, pero meron din talagang kakaibang geometric lines. Okay, now this is your primary bedroom. So the moment you enter, you are immediately greeted by 2 doors. This one is your walk-in closet. I love it. So you have open shelving over here with your hanging rods, both for your longer clothes and your shorter one like jackets, etc., or maybe pants. You have your drawers, open storage up there, and then you have your closed storage. More shelving here for your products. This is your vanity and it's facing a window. Imagine doing your makeup here. Ang ganda. And then at night, just have, maybe may outlet naman dito, just have a nice LED light here or something, the one that changes colors, and you're set. Then on this side, more closed storage and a full-length mirror. Then across your walk-in closet, you have your toilet and bath, your ensuite toilet and bath. You have your his and her sinks, lots of counter space, your toilet, and then your wet area. At first, I was like, this is a huge shower area. Like, quite literally, you can place a bench. And then I realized, if you want to put a bathtub, this is where you put it. But if you didn't, you could put a bench. I don't know, comment down below. Personally, I think I would like a nice bench. Tamad. Gusto nakaupo parate. Hey, I have back issues. Anyway, so this is the main room. This is where your bed goes, and according to the outlets that I'm seeing now, you can place a king-sized bed here comfortably, or a queen-sized bed na en grande yung headboard. So again, that's up to you. Again, lots of windows, and then this one has access to a private balcony, and this is such a cute balcony. Again, you have a view of that jogging path out here in the back. You can also directly look down dun sa back patio or backyard. So lovely, lovely place to be, and also very windy. So may gripo na dito for maintenance if you need to clean the floor. Or, I don't know, if you were like me, I guess I would also put a small washing machine there. Just for, the little items of clothing. Okay, next to that, we have bedroom number 5. So immediately upon entering this room, you have your ensuite toilet and bath with your sink, toilet, and partially enclosed shower area. This one has less kinds of tiles. 4 lang. And then this is the bedroom itself. For those of you who have been watching our channel for quite a while, when I say high ceiling, parang nasanay na kayo what high ceiling looks like, right? And for those of you guys who are new here, I am 5'4". So technically, this is high ceiling. It's just nasanay na tayo sa high ceiling that this looks normal, but it is still, in fact, a little bit higher than standard. Parang wala nang actually gumagawa ng standard ceiling ngayon eh, which is nice. Okay, so that has been it for the second floor. Let's now head up the third. Okay, so the top floor is essentially for entertainment. Whew, sarap ng hangin. My gosh. Parang nagpa-funnel kasi hangin dito eh, so super presko. Anyway, so you have this balcony here. This is at the front of the property and it overlooks, again, your neighborhood. And what a view that is. Like, sure, it's not like rolling hills or anything. It's a plain, it's a vista. Pero ang ganda niya pa rin. Ganda kasi ng village eh. I'll be honest. Pero yeah, you can hear the birds and everything. And the grinders. Hindi natin maiwasan. Dami na papagawa ng bahay ngayon. But yeah, so that's one balcony. Right next to it, you have a common toilet and bath with your sink, shower area, and toilet. You also have 2 awning windows over there, so presko pa rin siya. No more need for vents. Exhaust fans. And then this one is a storeroom. It's actually quite a large storeroom. Well, okay, not large, moderately sized storeroom. So ito yung mga masarap lagyan ng steel shelves para organize yung storage niya. I think this is a standard height ceiling. And then, sabi nga no isa naming kasama, this is your events hall. No, this is your entertainment room. It's enclosed. It's full of windows. Itong side na to, puro fixed windows. And then this one, the bottom half are all fixed, and the bottom, upper half, sorry, mali. The upper half, you can all open and let the breeze through, especially when you open the sliding glass doors. So basically, sa room na to, no, konti lang yung part na solid yung wall. Everything else is just windows and glass. And then this is the balcony at the back of the property. So yes, dalawa yung balcony sa floor na to. You also have your sink over there by the corner. You have lots of space for a seating setup. Both balconies are covered, and the roof has a little bit of awning. So for moderate rain, kahit na may angge or may angle yung ulan, hindi ka mababasa. Really chill place to hang out in with your family, with your friends. True, walang elevator, pero madali naman umakyat dito sa 3rd floor, in fairness. Okay, now before I do a recap, make sure you check out these really cool B-rolls. So you have a lot area of 286.65 square meters of lot area, lot pa lang yun, and then 450 square meters of floor area split between 3 levels. Pero parang mas malaki siya than 450. Yun yung feeling kasi ang ganda nung layout nung buong bahay. You have 5 bedrooms, 6 toilet and baths, 3 balconies, a 2-vehicle carport, guest parking out in front, 2 lanais, and then one of the bedrooms is here on the ground floor. So kung kailangan nyo ng elderly room or office or what have you, it's right there next to the entrance. And again, this is a brand new home, and this is in Nuvali. So if you're interested or if you know someone who is, make sure you send this to them. Or if you want it for yourself, send us a message or go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. If you enjoyed that video and want to see more of our tours, make sure you click here. If you want to see flats and lofts, click here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you click right here.